Hello, my dear students. Hope all of you are safe in your home. You know, now Corona is become global pandemic. The most important mode of contaminations of Corona. There are two types. All of you know. One is droplet infection through sneezing, through coughing, through droplet, and another is surface contact. Surface contact means always you are aware about your hands. If your hands should touch any object, before touching your face or before eating, you must wash your hands and maintain all the hygienic that you have observed through different awareness program and through media. Now, the most important things is that I have completed maximum portions of pharmacology in your class. Few portions are remaining. We will discuss through video conference or through video class. I will guide the difficult portions. I will guide the mechanism of action so that you will able to write notes from your books, and the rest part, particularly 30% I need to cover, that you will prepare note by yourself. The difficult things I will explain. Okay, so today I am going to discuss with you the most important chapters which is important for your exam, that is sedative and hypnotic. So my dear, when I am telling about sedative and hypnotic drug, तम माइंड को गोटे जिन आसो एगुड़ा हूँ निद मेडिसिन बा निद दिया जाउथवा मेडिसिन. यस, यू आर राइट. दीज आर द ड्रग यूज्ड जनरली फॉर इंसोम्निया. Insomnia means nidraheenata in Odia. Okay, so before going to sedative and hypnotic, I am giving the definitions, real definitions which differentiate between sedative and hypnotics. Sedative are the drug which induce sleep, and hypnotics are the drugs which maintain sleep. Okay, so before going to sedative and hypnotic, I am giving you certain idea about your sleep. Sleep is a natural pattern. Sleep is a part of your life, and sleep is a biological phenomenon. In general, there are two kinds of sleep. Mind it, there are two kinds of sleep. One is REM sleep and another is non-REM sleep or NREM sleep. Then what is the difference and what is the type of different type of sleeps? REM sleep means rapid eyeball movement sleep, and NREM sleep means non-rapid eyeball movement sleep. Okay, so as per the name, rapid eyeball movement sleep in which eyeball is moving, and a non-rapid eyeball movement sleep in which eyeball is not moving or negligibly moving. Among the two type of sleep, when a person fell asleep, then what happened? Initially he is having REM sleep followed by NREM sleep, then REM sleep, then NREM sleep. About 20 to 25% of the sleep is REM sleep. Then rest part, near about 70 to 75 or 70 to 80% of the sleep is NREM sleep, means non-rapid eyeball movement sleep, which is a sleep of peaceful kind of sleep. Because in REM type of sleep, one person's, if medical examinations is going on, then there is irregular heartbeat, then irregular EEG graph, then irregular ECG, then all irregular patterns, just like a awaking persons. In NREM sleep, this subject is almost calm and quiet, so it is a kind of peaceful sleep. Okay, in REM sleep, what happened? When the cycle of REM sleep is going on, in that cycle a person is having dream. तुमको बाघ गोड़ौची, चोर गोड़ौची, भूत देखिलु, ऐश्वर्या राय सहित डांस करछु, सबु जाक तमे REM sleep रे देखिबु. बड़ बड़ क्रिकेटर तम मान भीतर जी अछ, सचिन तेंदुलकर पर 6 मारिल, जेतेबेले ड्रीम रे आसीबो, सेटा केतेबेले आसीबो ना REM sleep रे आसीबो. Means when you are dream, when you are see certain kind of dream, that means that phase of dream is REM sleep, rapid eyeball movement sleep, and most unstable sleep. तो REM और NREM sleep रो गोटे रेशियो थाए, नॉर्मल रेशियो. when the ratio or the proportion of REM sleep increase and NREM sleep decrease, the condition exists which is known as sleep disorder or insomnia. So, sedative and hypnotic drugs in therapeutic dose or advisable dose, what their purpose? They decrease or they slow down or they decrease the ratio of REM sleep and NREM sleep. Means the increasing REM sleep duration should be subsided by giving sedative and hypnotic drugs. Okay. So, my dear, generally sedative and hypnotic drugs are broadly divided into two groups. One is benzodiazepine groups and another is barbiturates groups. Okay. In benzodiazepine groups, those drugs include, they are having three subtypes, and that subtypes are according to their therapeutic activity. Number one as sedative hypnotics, number two as anti-anxiety, and number three as anti-convulsant. Same drug act as sedative hypnotics, same drug may act as anti-anxiety, and same drug may act as anti-convulsant. The difference is the dose. According to increased dose or according to decreased dose, they therapeutical use. Even same drug of benzodiazepine, they act as sedative in low dose. When you increase dose, that act as hypnotic. Okay, just like barbiturates are classified according to their duration of action, means long acting, intermediate acting, short acting and ultra short acting. आमे जदि एग्जांपल नबा लॉन्ग एक्टिंग रो बेस्ट एग्जांपल हबो फेनोबार्बिटल व्हिच कम्स अंडर लॉन्ग एक्टिंग. इंटरमीडिएट एक्टिंग रो जदि आमे एग्जांपल नबा बेस्ट एग्जांपल हबो एमोबार्बिटल. सेमती आमे शॉर्ट एक्टिंग रो जदि एग्जांपल नबा बेस्ट एग्जांपल हबो पेंटोबार्बिटल. एंड आमे जदि अल्ट्रा शॉर्ट एक्टिंग रो एग्जांपल नबा बेस्ट एग्जांपल हबो थायोपेंटल्स. And all the classification is mentioned in your book. Just write down the classification. First write down the definition, then write down the classification. First benzodiazepine groups, then barbiturates group. Table wise write down so that there will be a visual effect and you will remember easily. Okay, let's come to the first group. I am giving the hints, I am guiding about barbiturates groups. Barbiturates are generally derived from barbituric acid, which is a condensation product of urea and malonic acid. Then comes to the pharmacological actions of barbiturates groups. Okay, the barbiturates were used extensively in sedative and hypnotic fields. Okay, the first action is sedation action. In low dose, barbiturates produce drowsiness accompanied by decreased motor activity, sense and a feelings of well-being. Decreased motor activity means when barbiturates maintains the plasma concentration, the motor activity, locomotory activity will decrease. हाथ गोड़ हलौथुबु चालुथुबु डेउथुबु ढोलिला परिका लागियो, मांदा मांदा लागियो. Decreased motor activity and a feeling of well-being. Feeling of well-being generally तमे ताकु कैटेगराइज करि परिबो different grades of euphoria. Euphoria means a feeling of well-being. Just it is also a property of barbiturates. Okay, then number two action, pharmacological action is hypnosis. And indications for most barbiturates is the relief of temporary insomnia. They induce sleep in a dose 3 to 4 times higher than sedative dose. I am telling it again, they produce hypnosis 3 to 4 times higher than the dose of sedative. Sedative ro 3 to 4 times higher dose re ye hypnosis produce karibo. Sleep induced by barbiturates resembles normal stage 2 sleeps. Okay, then the next property or pharmacological actions of barbiturates is anesthesia. It can be given in the field of general anesthesia or adjuvants to different general anesthesia. The highly lipid soluble rapid acting derivative, okay, are administered IV for that purpose. Okay, then the next pharmacological action is anti-convulsant property. Anti-convulsant property therapeutically used in the field of which field? Epilepsy, because convulsion, seizure, tremor, these are the characteristic property of epilepsy. The 3 long-acting compounds of barbiturates successfully indicated in the field of grand mal epilepsy. जदि आमे गोटे एग्जांपल लबा, बेस्ट एग्जांपल हबो फेनोबार्बिटल एंड मेपोबार्बिटल. They are used in case of grand mal epilepsy to decrease the seizure threshold. कहीं एपिलेप्सी रे एक्साइटेशन ता हमर बेसी हे थाए ड्यू टू कौन रैपिड ओपनिंग ऑफ सोडियम चैनल. सेते बेले हमर कोन दरकार सब्जेक्ट को काम एंड क्वाइट करबा. मींस गोटे एमिति न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर को आमे एक्टिवेट करबा जोटा कि तुमरा inhibitory neurotransmitter. That purpose is done by barbiturates. So barbiturates groups are successfully given alone or in adjuvantly with other anti-epileptic drug in the field of grand mal epilepsy particularly. Then next pharmacological action is respiratory depression. Definitely जदि बेसी डोज रे आमे barbiturates नबा कि एई टाइप रो एनी ड्रग आमे नबा जोटार प्रॉपर्टी सब्जेक्ट को काम एंड क्वाइट कर दउथबो, लोकोमोटर एक्टिविटी कमौथबो, मोटर एक्टिविटी कमौथबो, डिप्रेशन आड़ को नै नउथबो बा इंक्रीज करूथबो इनहिबिटरी इनहिबिटरी न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर को. So barbiturates exhaust a dose dependent respiratory depression. Means if you increase the dose then respiratory depression occurs, or if you take the normal therapeutic dose for a long time then respiratory depression also occurs. Both the respiratory drives and rhythmic mechanism are depressed. Large dose can severely depress medullary respiration. If untreated death hobar भी chance है. Just like तमर कौन फोर्थ स्टेज ऑफ जनरल एनास्थेटिक. जनरल एनास्थेटिक लास्ट क्लास में पढ़ाई थी तुमको. कौन जनरल एनास्थेटिक रो फोर्थ स्टेज? रेस्पिरेटरी डिप्रेशन, फेल्युअर ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन एंड डेथ. कहीं की जनरल एनास्थेटिक हायर डोज रे भी डिप्रेस करूथला. यदि बार्बिचुरेट्स ग्रुप ऑफ ड्रग तमे हायर डोज रे नबो ताहले भी डिप्रेस करिवो. देन द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्शन इज एंजाइम इंडक्शन. लास्ट क्लास रो विभिन्न टॉपिक रो टिके टिके हमर डिस्कशन हेछि जते बेले पढिछि एंजाइम एंजाइम इंडक्शंस तमरो जनरल फार्माकोलॉजी रो एडीएमई रे जते बेले मेटाबॉलिज्म आसला सेते बेले मु तुमको कहिथिले कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस ऑफ माइक्रोजोमल एंजाइम इंडक्शन. बार्बिचुरेट्स ग्रुप्स ऑफ बार्बिचुरेट्स families of drugs considered under barbiturates, they are induced microsomal enzyme. Barbiturates, specially phenobarbital, can accelerate the functions of hepatic microsomal enzyme, a process known as enzyme inductions. This results in increased metabolism of many drugs and hence decreased effectiveness. कहीं मेटाबॉलिज्म टा हमर थर्ड स्टेप. मेटाबॉलिज्म रे कोन हुए केमिकल अल्टरेशन ऑफ द ड्रग. ड्रग लूज इज थेरापेटिक प्रॉपर्टी एंड रेडी फॉर एक्सक्रेशन. ता नेक्स्ट स्टेप ता हला एक्सक्रेशन. जदि ड्रग ता काम कला पूर्वरु हमर एंजाइम इंडक्शन हे जाउची एंड ड्रग तार केमिकल ओरिएंटेशन को हरई बसुची, लूज द केमिकल ओरिएंटेशन, ताहले ड्रग आउ काम करिवो नाही. सेथि पई एनी काइंड ऑफ ड्रग को आउ गोटे ड्रग सहित मिसई की निया जाए नाही जे तार एंजाइम को इंड्यूस करू थाए. जदि गोटे ड्रग आउ गोटे ड्रग रो एंजाइम को इंड्यूस कला आरो ड्रग टी इमीडिएटली मेटाबॉलिज्म हे जिवो से ड्रग रो जोथि पई आमे तार थेरापेटिक एक्टिविटी पाइबा नाही. सेथि पई इन कंकरेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशंस विथ मेनी ड्रग्स barbiturates are contraindicated because barbiturates induced the microsomal enzyme. As a result, drugs immediately get metabolized. And even barbiturates induce its own hepatic microsomal enzymes. Means it immediately get destroyed in body. A concept or a term applicable that is known as tolerance. आगु तुमको मु बुझे कि कहिछि जनरल फार्माकोलॉजी रे व्हाट इज टॉलरेंस. टॉलरेंस मींस व्हेन large dose or large concentration of drug is required to produce a particular magnitude of action that is known as tolerance. For example, a week रे तू 5 mg रो एंटी हाइपरटेंसिव ड्रग खाइलु जेतकी काम करिवो नेक्स्ट वीक रे सेतकी अमाउंट रो खाइले आ काम करिवोनी डोज को बढ़ेवा को पड़िवो एंड ग्रेजुअली यू नीड टू इंक्रीज दैट डोज दैट पैटर्न इज नोन एज टॉलरेंस which is the consequences of rapid induction of microsomal enzyme जोटा की बार्बिचुरेट्स ग्रुप रो ड्रग माने करंती सेथि पई बार्बिचुरेट्स ग्रुप्स ऑफ ड्रग्स आर contraindicated with many drugs. Okay, so my dear students, comes to our next drug, benzodiazepine groups. In last video I have told you the different therapeutic classifications of benzodiazepines. The main drugs are diazepam, lorazepam, clonazepam, etc., etc. So how the benzodiazepine groups of drug exhaust sedative and hypnotic action? The main thing is that mechanism of action. कहीं ना mechanism of action टा बुझिले तमे निजे बुक्स रु नोट बनै परिबो आउ सिंपल डाटाबेस जिनस भी तमे लिखि परिबो. ओके, सी the main target of benzodiazepine action are GABA, means gamma amino butyric acid receptors. See, I am showing a diagram. डिटेल डायग्राम टा मु तुमको कॉलेज रे क्लास ओपन हेले गोटे बड़ सीट रे दे देबी दे देले तुमको इजी हबो बुझिबा को. स्टिल तमे देखि थाओ. दिस इज द नंबर 1. ओके, ए जो स्ट्रक्चर टा हमें करिचे लंबा लंबा गारो पड़ची. दीज आर सेल मेम्ब्रेन ऊपर क्लोराइड चैनल देखो. क्लोराइड चैनल इज प्रेजेंट and chloride channel is closed, there is no opening. एपटे ऊपर तमरो क्लोराइड आयन अछि, एपटे क्लोराइड आयन नाही. ओके, इन सेकंड डायग्राम तमे देखि परिबो. ए देखो इन सेकंड डायग्राम. ओके, हियर इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ GABA, gamma aminobutyric acid, GABA come and attach to chloride channel. The chloride channel is opening and there is efflux of chloride ion. Means जेतेबेले GABA आसीची in presence of GABA, what happened? Chloride channel open and one chloride ion efflux or release. एपटे गोटे chloride ion अछि. Okay, then what happened? In presence of GABA, it facilitated opening of chloride channel, and when chloride channel open, chloride ion are get outside. तापरे एबे देखो एटा होची number 3 steps of diagram. What happened? Here in cell membrane upare chloride channel is present, and here is GABA and here is benzodiazepines. Means benzodiazepine potentiate the actions of GABA and GABA facilitate the opening of chloride channels. Means binding of GABA is enhanced by benzodiazepine, which results more and more efflux of chloride ion, and when more and more entry of chloride ion occurs, then chloride ion makes the cell hyperpolarize and make it more difficult to depolarize, hyperpolarize. When there is efflux of chloride ion, the ultimate result is cell get hyperpolarization, relaxations, subject get calm and quiet. So it results what? Decrease of all neuronal activity. In short, I am telling you, chloride channel is there in cell membrane. GABA when comes and attached to chloride ion upwardly, then a little bit chloride channel is opening, one chloride ion is efflux. Then GABA is potentiated in presence of benzodiazepines. Means benzodiazepine potentiate GABA and GABA facilitate opening of chloride channel. When the chloride channel is open more and more chloride ion are efflux. As a result, cell get hyperpolarized and it difficult to depolarize. In simple word, subsides all neuronal activity, subdues all neuronal activity, decrease all neuronal activity. धीरे धीरे डोरी डोरी निद आसिबो. This is the main mechanism of benzodiazepines groups of drug or how it works. Okay, then student, pharmacological action almost same as barbiturates. You can write from your books. मु तुमको advise करू तुम KD Tripathi रू लेखा. Otherwise you follow any easy book to write the pharmacological action and pharmacokinetic. Last class रू जेतेबेले मु तुमको acquainted करि देली pharmacokinetic तुम निजे लिखुचो. Still मु कहि दउची the oral absorptions of all the three hypnotic benzodiazepines is very good. Okay, the drug and their metabolites are mainly excreted through urine. 4 to 5 sentence you must write for pharmacokinetic barbiturates pai bhi, benzodiazepine pai bhi. Okay, another thing, the most important difference between benzodiazepines and barbiturates. बेले बेले short question टा आसी जाए. How benzodiazepine is has advantages over barbiturates. Benzodiazepine groups of drug can induce sleep in presence of pain. For example, there is a surgical intervention. ऑपरेशन बेड रु पेशेंट आछि, एनास्थेसिया सरी गला, निशा सरी गला. कोन हबो जो पेन टा हबो से पेन बेले गोटे सेडेटिव बेंजोडाइजापिन ग्रुप रो सेडेटिव हिप्नोटिक देई देले पेन प्रेजेंस से भी निद हे जिवो, व्हिच बार्बिटुरेट्स कैन नॉट. Then what is the advantages of barbiturates over benzodiazepine? Barbiturates कोन भलो गुण अछि जोटा benzodiazepine नाही. Barbiturates is a daytime sedative. देख आम बायोलॉजिकल साइकिल ले दिन और रातिर अलग अलग महात्म्य अछि. दिन रे जनरली हमको निद लागे ना, राति रे जते बेले आमे बेड रे सोई पड़ती निद लागे. एबे टिके डेविएशन होउची बिकॉज़ इलीगल पैटर्न ऑफ यूज ऑफ मोबाइल पे. ऑल ऑफ यू एग्री. देन दिन रे निद लागिबा टिके एडवांटेजेस और टिके डिफिकल्ट which cannot be fulfilled by benzodiazepine, which can be fulfilled by barbiturates group of drug than benzodiazepine. Okay, so you'll get long questions and short questions from this chapter. Short question कौन तमे क्लासिफिकेशन भल की पढ़, सब ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन पाई दियो. मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन कौन, डिफाइन सेडेटिव हिप्नोटिक्स, क्लासिफाई सेडेटिव हिप्नोटिक्स, राइट द फार्माकोलॉजी ऑफ बेंजोडाइजापिन्स, 10 मार्क्स. और define sedative hypnotics, classify sedative hypnotics, write the pharmacology of barbiturates, also a long question. Be prepared. Okay.